This is a piece of crap. This is a Daihatsu Terios.
Our number 10 is a quirky little number from the small car specialist Daihatsu, the Terios.
It's a toy!
In a way, yes. The Terios is a miniature off-roader designed for the style-conscious Japanese who have restricted road space in Tokyo. It's a grown-up K-Class car, the tax brake class which spawned the Suzuki Wagon R and Daihatsu's own Move.
So it's sheep in wolf's clothing then?
It's actually quite a bit of fun. Despite having a 1.2-litre engine blunting performance, the little Terios packs four-wheel drive and a 4-speed automatic gearbox.
Inside there's room for 4 narrow adults, so long as they don't have a lot of luggage. The plastics are of a cheap and nasty variety, yet you do benefit from the high driving position that people like.
And being so narrow does have its benefits on the school run. This little 4x4 is easy to thread through city streets. Here the lack of straight line performance matters little.
Welcome everybody to Epic Custom Motors. This is a channel that we've set up to share with you the motors that we are basically grabbing hold of, restoring, modifying, rescuing, whatever you want to call it. We're going to have some fun and I want to show you the first vehicle. Now if you look at this, I don't hold much hope, do you? Look at the roof. We've got our own private fish pond and we've already rescued one goldfish. You've got to be some kind of nut job to want to even attempt to touch this car. Let me show you what I mean. There's literally nuts in the battery tray. Look at it. Hundreds of them. Look. Was I home to a bunch of squirrels or something? I don't know. Anyway, let's get a battery on this pile of, whatchamacallit, and see if we can get it started. Where's the belts? There's just literally one belt left on there. And, this one is all wrapped around the pulley. I'm not holding much hope for this. But you know what? Let's give it a go. Oh, the throttle's stuck. Oh. Fixed it. This is not the right battery for this, but it's got some life in it. It will do the job. Bang! No, you're alright. We're good. Still got me hair. Right. Has it got any water in it? No. Has it got any engine oil in it? Ooh. Golden brown. Textured like sun. Lay me down. I don't know the rest. Keys. Do you know what? I've been looking for these all bloomin' day. Well, let's see if she starts. Please like and subscribe. Let's have a laugh. Sounds like a farmyard in here. Look at the state of this. Look. We have ignition. We have ignition lights. We give it a go. Well, that's a good start, isn't it? Let me get a spanner and tighten them battery leads up. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. It's running! The turd is running! Can't believe it. But trust me, you wouldn't want to be sitting in here right now. We have got spider webs, broken glass, mold, dirt, It stinks in here. Now it runs. Let's pump the tyres up and see if it drives. Just clearing the window screen with the super fast, super efficient wiper blades that come as standard on a Daihatsu Terios. Yeah, I can see quite a lot actually. Right, first drive. Oh, oh, power steering don't work, eh? Wonder if it's got something to do with no belts. Hold on, let's try reverse. Let's get this turd into the workshop. See you in the next video, guys. Like and subscribe.